Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nico Patrick, and please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, and thank you so much. This video is about this hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this hair like this. This is actually a wet look. As you can see, these are the only two things I use to get this wet look. My Eco Styler gel, this is how it looks like, and my water. If you want to know how I got this wet look on this Afro Kinky coily hair, please keep on watching this video. So this is how the hair is looking right now. It doesn't look good at all, so messy, and we're going to fix that right now. It doesn't look good. I'm going to be styling the hair session by session. First thing I'm going to be using is my water. After that, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel. I'm using this black color. To continue using my hands to detangle the hair like this. I'm going to go ahead and just do this other side. You can see the difference is very obvious. This is how the hair looks like when the hair is dry, and when the hair is wet, this is how the hair looks like. Just look at all these coils, and it's really beautiful. I'm going to use this hair wrap to wrap the hair. I'm going to leave the hair like this for some time to dry, then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look. So guys, this is how the hair is looking, but the hair is not fully dry. It's still a little bit wet, but I really love how this hair came out. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and share it, and please leave a comment because I want to know what you guys think about this wet look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.